You want to win, so that's why you keep quiet. But at this moment, I think it's not good for you. It's not good for you.
I don't think it's good for you.
No, not about you. Not about you. Not about you.
It's not about me. It's about all the people that I represent.
I didn't give you opportunity to talk. Please keep polite for me. I still talking. I still talking. Listen. I still keep talking to everybody. Why you stand up to talk to me?
Because I have a voice and it's not correct, but it's not. If you have a problem,
No, you have a voice, but you have to respect the voice.
you are not respecting me as a woman.
What? No, why you stand up?
Because I have
Where's the gun? Security. No, just leave it here. She stand and she talk by herself.
stand up. As a woman, we have respect. They need to have respect for us. I'm here representing a country, and it's not my fault that you have problems with my organization.
No. Listen. You must listen to me, and then when I ask you,
This is a joke. This is the wrong place.
Stop. Security. ปิดประตู Stop. Sit down. If anyone want continue the contest, sit down. If you step out, the rest of the girl continue. If anyone want continue.
Can we talk? Can we come
Yeah, talk. You can talk.
We can fix this. We can bring her back.
Yeah.
Yes.
You see, the one girl is a problem.
We're having such a great time in Thailand. This is such a great place. You're doing everything right. Let's
At mga kapolitika, ito na po yung part 2 ng iskandalo ngayon dito sa third day ng Miss Universe 2025 na ginaganap pa rin ngayon dito sa Thailand. So viral at pinag-uusapan, trending ngayon itong mga ganap dito sa Miss Universe dahil kung kahapon is pinarade ni Nawat yung pagpo-post nila or pagpo-promote nila ng online gambling, ngayon naman is ibang issue na naman dahil natabunan na yung kay Atisa yung sa kanyang playtime. Ngayon naman is nasabon itong si Miss Universe Mexico. So narinig nyo mga kapolitika na kung saan is naglabas ng kanyang sama ng loob itong sinawat dahil nga doon sa issue na hindi di umano pinopromote ng Miss Universe organization doon sa page nila ang Thailand sa kadahilan ng meron silang conflict dito sa mga ulo. So itong nangyari dito kay Miss Mexico na kung saan is nasabon siya ni Nawat, sa tingin ko ito ay pagpapakita ng disappointment ni Nawat dito sa Miss Universe organization. Kaya sabi niya naman hindi daw si Mexico yung kanyang pinupunteriya or yung kanyang target, kundi yung page na bakit hindi pinopromote yung Thailand doon sa platform ng Miss Universe gayong sila ang host country. So parang na-insulto itong si Nawat kung kaya dito ay nilabas niya yung kanyang hinanaing, yung kanyang sentimiento, yung kanyang rant. Pero yung sa atin mga kapolitika, yung ating masasabi naman is parang below the belt ang ginawa ni Nawat. I believe na he crossed the line sa part na ito. Although tayo is alam natin yung nararamdaman niya na kung saan is na-insulto siya sa mismong bansa nila dahil unauthorized di umano, nagsimula kasi doon sa pa-dinner, diba? So ayaw daw ng yun kasi wala daw bearing yung pa-dinner ni Nawat sa maging criteria for judging kung sino yung kukurnahan ng Miss Universe 2025. So walang bearing yung ginagawa nila na pabutuhan doon sa MUT na page or Miss Universe Thailand na page. So insulto talaga yung ginagawa ng organization kay Nawat. So siguro ay hindi niya na napigilan na ilabas yung kanyang galit dahil hindi naman sila nagkakausap. Siguro walang mga GC itong mga CEO at itong si Nawat, hindi niya nakokontak, hindi nga daw niya nakikita. So paano yung maging setup nila? Pero ang problema dito mga kapolitika is wala nang back out itong si Raul or hindi na niya pwedeng i-cancel yung Miss Universe or else ma-breach of contract siya kasi alam naman natin itong si Nawat is business minded at matalino ito maglaro. Dati di ba merong nag-back out doon, so na breach of contract yung isang national director kung kaya nagbayad pa sila dito kay Nawat. So wag na wag gagawin ni Raul yun dito sa Miss Universe 2025 kasi in the first place nasa Thailand siya at anytime ay pwedeng tawagan ni Nawat yung mga connections niya, di ba? So delikado rin itong si Raul kung kaya wala nang back out itong Miss Universe 2025. Tuloy na tuloy ito, pero ang kagandahan dito mga kapolitika is kasi wala daw bearing yung popularity, di ba? According doon sa sinabi ng Miss Universe, ang basis nila is doon sa interview, sa swimsuit, sa evening gown, and then dito sa sa national costume. Yun daw ang maging criteria nila. So walang bearing or walang bigat yung popularity, which is ito na nga yung ginagawa ngayon ng mga Pilipino na all out ang support dito kay Atisa dahil pinaparamdam natin kung gaano ka-popular itong si Atisa. So wala daw hindi daw kasama sa criteria of judging yung popularity or fame ng isang candidate. So na-insulto itong si Nawat dahil doon nagpabutuhan sila at pinapa-follow nga doon sa page. So parang contradict or conflict doon sa mga sinasabi ng Miss Universe organization dito sa ginagawa ni Nawat. So nararamdaman natin at naiintindihan natin yung kanyang kung bakit niya ito nasabi, pero below the belt at nakakaawa rin mga kapolitika yung candidate ng Mexico. So hindi tayo pabor sa mga ganito. Siguro ay kinausap niya lang directly yung kung sino man yung ikinakagalit niya or itong mga CEO, itong si Raul or itong Guatemala na si Mario. So yun sana ang kinausap ni Nawat, hindi itong candidate kasi hindi niya naman kontrolado yung sitwasyon at wala naman siyang kinalaman dito sa ginagawa ni Raul at ng kung sino pa man na may-ari nitong Miss Universe. So hindi tayo pabor dito mga kapolitika, but then again naiintindihan natin yung sentimento ni Nawat na kung saan is natamaan yung kanyang pride. So ganun lang po yun. So patuloy po tayo maki-update at abangan natin kung ano ang mga rest back dahil after nung ginawa nga ni Nawat dito, na-trigger talaga doon sa pa-dinner nila na sponsor daw kasi yun, mamahaling sponsor nila, and then binaliwala ng Miss Universe. So hindi natin alam kung ano yung magiging resulta ng lahat ng drama, iskandalo at issue dito sa Miss Universe, nagaganap na Miss Universe 2025. Pero ang malinaw sa ngayon is talagang hindi nagkakasundo ang mga leader. So ako dito is maganda ito, advantage rin ito kay Atisa Manalo kasi natabunan nga yung issue niya doon sa playtime. At the same time yung kasi si Nawat parang popularity based siya mga kapolitika, di ba? Yung kung gaano ka-popular yung isang candidate. So naano naman natin doon na maganda yung pakikitungo niya, parang magaan yung pakikitungo niya kay Atisa Manalo, at base nga doon sa comment ng ating mga netizen is nagagandahan daw itong si Nawat dito kay Atisa dahil talagang tinitigan niya yung itong mukha ni Atisa Manalo. So undeniably is hanga siya dito kay Atisa at napasikat niya pa yung Miss Universe Thailand. So yun nga lang, ang on the other side is kawawa yung ibang candidate na naiipit dito sa sa Miss Universe conflict. At si Nawat, kilala natin siya na prangka siya at kung ano yung kanyang nararamdaman ay talagang sinasabi niya, pero siguro minsan ay ilagay niya sa tamang lugar kasi nakakasakit rin siya ng damdamin ng ibang tao. Okay, so yun mga kapolitika, inyong napanood itong pag-rant ni Nawat, pag-vent out niya sa kanyang mga nararamdaman dito sa ginagawa sa kanya ng Miss Universe organization, most especially itong si Raul. So again, ano ang reason kung bakit ganito nakagulo ay dahil sa tingin ko natamaan yung pride ni Nawat doon sa pa-dinner nila na kung saan is hindi di umano authorized ng organization. So doon talaga nagsimula ang lahat, although meron ng mga tayo naririnig in the past na hindi umano sang-ayon ang Miss Universe dito sa mga suggestion niya. So parang nadi-disregard siya, okay, na i-ignore itong si Nawat, which is yun ang pinakaayaw niya mga kapolitika kasi itong taong ito ay gusto niya rin ng center of attraction. So yun yung pagkakilala natin kay Mr. Nawat. So ano ang inyong mag-reaction dito mga kapolitika na kung saan is dinamay ni Nawat itong pambato ng Miss Universe Mexico? Dapat bang maipit itong kanilang candidate dito sa conflict ni Nawat sa National Director ng Mexico at doon kay Raul? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po.
Because the Queen Mother passed away, so the tour with the palace isn't happening. So those are the minor changes that we have made. Whenever Punawat and GI has organized those activities has been approved, so we should continue to do. Yes, please call your sisters. Yes, I know.
This is a misunderstanding.
Yes.
I think the language barrier. I'm
Yes.
sure everything's gonna be.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Let them call the sisters in. Yes. I agree. We're all sisters. I'm a sister too, right? I really care for all of you. I met all of you, and I'm so impressed. You guys are wonderful.
And we love Nawat and all the yes.
You've done a great job.
Okay, feel comfortable sitting. And then, if anyone want to help, okay, let them back.
Yeah, let's call them.
Except, sorry to say, except Mexico, because she always talking too much with my team. But let her come back if she wants.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
You want something to say? Yes, please do. Let's take a breather. Let's take a minute. Let's take a breather. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Thank you so much. Yes.
I am very appreciate.
Okay.
Because of I want to make everything is the best. Yeah, to save the ego of everybody can do the same. Maybe someone they do, someone they don't do, make understanding. Okay?
He meant well.
You know, it's very hard work for our staff.
He has put in a
When-
lot of effort.
When they go to you, you do it. But they go that one that she don't do. And you know why I have no information, because she spoke to my staff 2 times. She don't want to do because of order from National Director that the police take them out of the country already. Because the problem is between police and illegal, not me. So she may be not stable.
Okay. Thank you.
Not everyone, guys. I feel like
Let's just take a few. Yeah, the rest just sit down. We have a session ceremony to go through, and we will go through it. Okay, she has to. Yeah, go there. Yeah. Okay, the rest of you, please have a seat. She wants to be
Thank you, all the best. Believe me, you come to the right place. You have to thinking by yourself. Believe me. Don't follow anyone. You have your own decision. Believe me. MJ is the one of the problem. You see, the others are already MJ called the contestant for all. Okay,
ที่จะเปลี่ยนผ่านมาเป็นที่คนพูด
have a seat.
ทานกันไม่ได้
You know, maybe only her, but
ใช่ใช่
MJ, or everything go out? Huh? ใครจะเข้ามาให้เข้านะเราพร้อมเข้าหมด Okay, we can talk. Okay, ปิดก่อนครับ